Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Assalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. All praises be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who had given us mercies and blessings that we can be in a good condition and happy situation. May peace and blessings always be upon our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hello guys, in this video I will be doing a tutorial on how to make a portfolio home section using HTML, CSS, and only HTML and CSS. So this is the example of what we will be making. So there's this on the left, there are some texts, and on the right there's an image. So we're going to be making something like this. Okay, so first we are going to open VS Code, and here I have prepared a folder. Next, we need to make a new file named index.html, and also another file named style.css. Now, in the index.html, we're gonna type this character and then just press enter, and then it will automatically create the basic structure for our HTML file. And also don't forget to you should install this extension, this live preview extension. I already installed it, and you should install it as well. With the extension, you can right click on inside the HTML editor, and then you can click show preview. And on the right here, you can see a preview of our HTML page. So while we type, we can see the live preview here. That is very helpful. Okay, so next we're going to make a section, and then we're gonna give it a class named home, and then ID named home as well. Then inside the section uh, we're going to make two divs. So the first div, we're going to give it a class named home content. Then the second div, we're going to give it a class named home img. Okay, so there's nothing in the preview yet because we haven't added anything yet. And then inside the home content div, we're going to add an h2 or heading 2, and then we're gonna give it some text which is hello. Then below it we're gonna add a heading 1 with the text is your name. For example, in here I'm gonna use my name, which is Muhammad. Then below it we're gonna add a heading 3 with the text I'm a, and then a span. Inside it is like your profession or what you're currently into. So for example, I'm gonna give a font web developer. Okay, maybe that is enough for the content. Now in the we're gonna add an image. Then, yeah, I forgot, we also gonna add an image or a photo of you. So I'm gonna prepare it right now. Okay, so now I have an image. This image named home.jpg. So just gonna type it home.jpg, and then the alt is you can type whatever. I'm gonna type a file. Okay, now we can see in the preview here we already have some text and an image, but now we need to give it some stylings using CSS. But first we need to link it in the HTML file inside the head element, head tag, and then we're gonna give it the href style.css. Now we can go to the CSS and we can give it, first we're gonna give body, background color, and then I'm just gonna give it a black, yes, and then color, which is for the text, is white. And then we're gonna give it a section and make it and specify it using the class which is home display flex direction row. Okay, now we can see in the preview. Okay, I'm gonna open in browser so we can see it better. Okay, so I was wrong. We need to instead give it display flex, justify content center, and align items center. So it still doesn't change anything because here I made a mistake, which is typing the home with two O's. It's fixed. It's now the text is now on the left and the image is on the right. Let's make it better. Yeah, between the text and the image. Or yes, that's better. Then we're also gonna give some padding, which is gonna be 8 RAM. Okay, it's too much. I'm gonna give it 4 RAM. Now we're gonna go to the home content. Then I'm gonna give it a font family Arial, Helvetica, and sans serif. Now the font style is more clean, which the headings, the font content, you can font sizes using this font content. Just to heading to first, I'm gonna give it font size of maybe 12 or Okay, it's too big. Maybe try two. Okay, two is good. Oh yeah, and then in the home content, I'm gonna give a font width of both maybe 700 no border. Okay, yes, double. Then next we're gonna give the home content H1 font size uh, for yes, that is too big. Maybe 3.5. Okay, that's good. And then as you can see, the gap on the right and on the left is too small. So we're gonna give the section that home heading right and left to 4 as well. But because it's the same as the top and bottom, we can just delete it. Okay, maybe 5 1. Yes, that is nice. Next, we're gonna give the home content H3 font size 175. Then we're gonna give the home content H3 span a different color, which is mm, light blue. Here we can just edit the color. Yes, that looks nice. And then next, we're going to go to the home image. And we're gonna give it a border, uh, a solid border, the thickness of 2 rem, no, 1 rem, yes, the color is white. Then a border radius, the border radius is 25%, 10%, yes. And I also forgot, I also should give it a width. I'm gonna give it 32 rem. That's too big. Maybe 24. Yes. Okay, next, as you can see, the gaps between these text is maybe too big, so we're gonna add in the H1 margin for top and bottom. We're gonna give it a -2 1 0. Okay, it's too close, so maybe -1. But for the bottom, maybe only -0.5 rem, 0.25 rem. Yes, this is better. I'm gonna close this preview. So maybe that's all for this simple portfolio homepage. So this is very basic and very simple. So next, I'm gonna show you how to host this project so you can share it to your friends, your family, and anyone else only by link, by URL. So your project could be accessed by anyone using a URL. So we're going to host using github.com. So first you should log in to GitHub or create an account if you haven't. But here I'm already logged in, so I'm just gonna go and create a new repository. Okay, wait. Okay, so we can name the repository anything. I'm gonna name it IT tutorial. Okay, no, IT tutorial. Okay, and then we can also give some description, but it's optional, so I'm just gonna skip. Then the repository is, I'm gonna choose public. Then yes, yeah, just gonna click create repository. Okay, so now we have our new repository. It's a public repository. Now we need to upload our project files into this repository using Git. So first we need to install Git, no, not GitHub, Git. This Git, you need to download and install Git, but I already installed Git, so I'm not gonna do it here. If you haven't, you can install it, or if you don't know how, you can search it somewhere. So next, we're gonna follow this command line commands inside our VS Code. So to open the integrated terminal, you can just click this button and then click terminal. Yes, so it automatically opens a terminal. Then we can just type these commands one by one, starting from the second one, which is git init. Now empty git repository is initialized in our project folder, so we can commit things, changes, and those, yes, those git things in our project. And then we're gonna do git add. We're gonna commit everything we have made in the project folder, which is using git add and a star uh, character, which means we're gonna choose everything. Okay, that is successful, and then we're gonna do git commit. Git commit and we're gonna name this first commit. Just gonna name it first. You can name it anything you want. So now our changes are committed in the repository, and then we're gonna do get branch, it's capital M, main. Then we're gonna do this. You can just copy it, and also the URL will be different according to your username and also repository name. So don't worry, just follow yours. Okay, that is successful, and then we can just push it. That means we upload the files, everything we have committed into the cloud repository using git push origin main. Okay, it took a little time to push, so now there's no red text, there's no red colored text. That means everything is successful. Now we can see in our GitHub page, we can reload it, and as you can see, our project files is already uploaded inside our repository. The commit name is first, uh, like what I gave in the comment previously, and now we can use this repository to make our project, uh, to host our project. Now we're going to go to settings and go to pages. Then we're gonna give source deploy from a branch. It's already selected. Then the branch we're gonna pick main, which is the default branch and the one where we committed those project files and uploaded. Main, then the folder is root because we just put it on the root folder, and we're gonna click save. It will take some time. Okay, next I believe we need to wait for a while, so while we wait, we can check the URL in which our project should be hosted. So the format of the URL is your username.github.io slash project name. So for me, it's gonna be mkm mkama.github.io slash, what was the name? This IT tutorial 2023. IT tutorial 2023. Okay, so as you can see, it's already hosted, and if we reload the GitHub page, you can see that your site is live at this URL, which is the previous URL that I told you was deployed by your username 1 minute ago. You can click visit site, and now your project is hosted on the internet, and then you can just copy this URL and then you can share it to your friends or maybe your family or maybe someone else. So they can also view your project anywhere, anytime, as long as they have internet connection. So maybe that is all for me. Thank you very much for watching, and I apologize for any mistakes I made or my bad English throughout my video. Once again, thank you very much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.